Guys, what we found on Facebook servers will shock you. We recently discovered a Facebook loophole, which can pay you not only $569.72, but even thousands of dollars per day once you scale it up. This new app is controversial, but 100% legal. And what we are about to show you is the exact same strategy affiliate millionaires are using today to make millions of dollars in affiliate commissions. I know millions sounds too big, but it's a fact. I'm not making this up, guys. Guys, welcome to Monarch, the simple but powerful website app responsible to help you make the most out of that Facebook loophole, which can pay you not only $569.72, but even thousands of dollars per day. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor for you to follow only 4 easy steps, which takes you just minutes to apply. Sounds good? Then let's do this. Step 1, find your profit. The first step of this Facebook loophole discovery is to go where the money is. Guys, this is Monarch's Profit Finder, the fastest and easiest ClickBank product research tool online. And here's where you will find your profit. With this tool, you will easily find the perfect affiliate product to promote, products which have brought millions of dollars in affiliate commissions throughout the years and are still doing so even today. Monarch's Profit Finder will find you everything you need from selecting the highest converting ClickBank product, as well as accessing all the tools you need to promote and profit as much money as you want from it from any ClickBank product of your choice. Step 2, build your bridge page. The second step of this Facebook loophole is to create a bridge page, but not a fancy and complicated bridge page. You'll need a simple but high converting bridge page. You will be impressed how simple these bridge pages look, but at the same time, it is frustrating how hard and expensive it can become to build them nowadays if you don't work with the right tools. With the Monarch's Builder, you will be able to quickly create practically any type of website for any purpose you want. The profit potential of these websites is huge, guys. And we have also included a few special templates you can easily customize with a few clicks to create a high converting bridge page, which is proven to generate millions of dollars in ClickBank affiliate commissions, even today. What's more, we have also created a premium custom domain integration where you will be able to add your own domains for your websites with the capability of getting your site verified for Google AdSense, as well as for other third-party tracking platforms like Facebook. Step 3, set up your tracking. The third step of this Facebook loophole is tracking. Yes, guys, tracking is key in this. One of the most profitable digital marketing strategies nowadays is having the ability to know exactly where the people who make profitable actions on your website are coming from, so you can plan to send even more people with the exact same interests back to your website. And this is something absolutely possible thanks to tracking. We have developed a basic but highly useful tracker here inside Monarch. This tracker will help you control and see in a very simple but effective way where people visiting your website are coming from. But if you would like to take tracking to the next level, thanks to the premium custom domain integration we implemented inside Monarch's website builder, you will be able to add tracking code in the header section of your website, which is specially for Facebook tracking. Step 4, send traffic to your bridge page. Finally, guys, the fourth step of this Facebook loophole is sending the right type of traffic to your bridge page. And thanks to tracking, you will be able to discover that right type of traffic in real time by using the right tools. Guys, the shocking part about all of this affiliate money being made in ClickBank is the fact that the traffic source which generates profit the most comes from Facebook. Yes, guys, Facebook is not just a social media platform. It is the largest digital community of people who share all kinds of interests and needs, and Facebook has used technology to be able to organize all those millions of people in audiences, and also has created all kinds of awesome tools for you to make money by offering a real solution to their problems. Guys, we went even further and decided to implement an outstanding Facebook traffic engine, which will save you a ton of the work involved by posting to Facebook the traditional way. Monarch gives you 7 different types of posts you can create to post to your Facebook pages and groups at the same time and be able to schedule them as well. Guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Lots more awesome stuff inside Monarch, but I can't show them all in this short video. Inside Monarch, you will find the VIP training area, where we will show you over our shoulder how to make money with Monarch the quick and easy way, step by step. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you would like to discover for yourself this Facebook loophole, which can pay you not only $569.72, but even thousands of dollars per day, then try Monarch today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
Wow, take a look at this. Every time I copy and paste one special link, I receive payments of $27 to $47. I can do this as much as I want, so it's easy to receive $1,000 payouts like these that go directly to my bank account. These big payments are not a rare occurrence, and I receive them every single week. In fact, on a bad day, I make a minimum of $500. Yes, you heard that right. Making $500 in a day is slow for us. Just imagine, would an extra $500 per day help you out? Of course it would. So, how do I pull it off? How am I receiving payments of $27 to $47 for copying and pasting one special link? It's all possible thanks to Monarch. You see, we discovered a $950 billion loophole found inside of Facebook's servers. This loophole was opened up by Facebook changing their company to Meta and focusing on something called the Metaverse. And we've figured out how to exploit it by copying and pasting one special link. Each time we do it, we receive payments of $27 to $47, and that's the bare minimum. These payments have been as large as $1,000. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started. All it takes is just 3 steps. Step 1, take the special link we give you and hit copy. Step 2, next, paste the link where we show you. And step 3, we profit. Each time we copy and paste this link, we get paid around $27 to $47. That's it. There's nothing else to do. It's just like that Geico commercial where it's so easy a caveman can do it. So even if nothing else has worked for you before, give this a try and you won't be disappointed. With Monarch, there are no barriers, no domain required, no hosting required, no website required, no hard work, no technical skills, no e-commerce, no product creation, no headaches, no flaming hoops to jump through, no nonsense. Monarch gives you everything you need to start seeing results, and no experience is required either. Whether you've been trying to make money online for 2 weeks or 2 years, it doesn't matter. Just copy and paste the special link we give you and you're all set. This isn't rocket science, but Monarch certainly produces atomic-like results. So, how much will Monarch cost you? You're probably thinking a system like Monarch would be expensive, and you're partly right. Monarch was originally reserved for our high-paying coaching students who invested a minimum of $2,997. But to celebrate going public, we are going to sell this at a price anyone can afford. Not $2,997, not $997, not $97, not even $27. Just a one-time investment equivalent to a cheap t-shirt grants you full access to Monarch. That's not too much to ask for a system that's backed by years of results. And most importantly, it's dead easy to use. But there is a catch. This discount will only be available to the early bird users of Monarch. Frankly, we don't want tire kickers in our community. We want people who take action quickly, because those are people who we can help succeed. With that being said, if you want access to Monarch, if you want to exploit the $950 billion Facebook loophole, then don't wait. And there's no risk with our 180-day better than money back guarantee. If you don't see results, just let us know within 180 days and we'll send your money back plus another $200 for wasting your time. There's no way for you to lose here. Listen, it's time to make a decision. I'm not going to try to convince you anymore. It's either now or never. Pick up a copy of Monarch or continue what you're doing and hope that you succeed someday. The choice is yours, my friend. Click the button below to grab a copy of Monarch while it's still available at a low one-time price. We'll see you inside.